with Russia trying to keep up with drone warfare. Here they use unmanned ground vehicles fitted with AGS-17 automatic grenade launcher. While the concept may sound good, they need to be agile, quick response time and going through rough terrain, which makes these unmanned ground vehicles to have very poor performance with current technology. Since Russia isn't even in the forefront, they become easy losses on the battlefield, with good targets for Ukraine's drone army, having a better role as supply vehicles, mining vehicles, or in certain times kamikaze ground vehicles. But since Russia produce things that sound good on paper but not in reality, they could possibly continue to produce these. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye!